Hey, what's up guys, it's JPC Tips here bringing you another signature tutorial, so let's get started. File, new, we're going to be using the same settings as last time, 385 the height width and 110 the height. Go ahead and lower this down and bring the picture you're going to be using for the signature. Place it so, Control A to select it all, Control C to copy, lower this down. And we're going to go ahead and make a new layer. And we're going to image, apply image. Okay, and then we're gonna go to filter, distort, wave, and we're gonna set this to triangle, and then we're just gonna randomize it a couple of times, and then click OK. Then I'm gonna set this to lighten, and we're gonna erase anything that doesn't look good. Then I'm gonna erase around this thing. Oh no. Should we gonna erase in the middle? My bad. And then I'm gonna go ahead and duplicate the same layer, and this time we're gonna set it to soft light. Second one, let's erase this. Like so, we're gonna do that again. Control J and set it to soft light. And we're gonna lower the opacity to about 30. We're gonna go ahead and make a new layer. And we're gonna copy the color. We're gonna get a soft brush first. I'm gonna use a 65 pixel, and we're gonna get the pink from the image, and we're gonna brush around her coat like so. Then we're gonna go ahead and set it to screen. Now we're gonna go ahead and make a new layer. Then go to image, apply image, okay, and we're gonna go to filter, artistic, and just click on any of them, and then when it brings you to this, to the neon glow, click OK, leave everything as it is, and set this to overlay. And we're gonna lower the opacity to about 30. Then we're gonna make a new layer. We're gonna lower this down, and we're gonna bring in a C4D. Control A to select it all, Control C to copy. And then we're gonna paste it. And we're gonna set this to about right there. And we're gonna go ahead and make a new layer. And we're gonna get a splatter brush. The same brushes we did with the last, same brush we used for the last tutorial. Set it about right there. Then we're gonna go make a new layer, and we're gonna use the same image we used last time. Control A to select it all, Control C to copy. I'm gonna lower this down. Then we're gonna paste this, and we're gonna set it to the pink side since most of the SIG is pink, and we're gonna go ahead and create a clipping mask. Then we're gonna go ahead and make a new layer, paste it again, and move the pink side to this side since this brush didn't get any color. We're gonna go ahead and create a clipping mask right on top of that one. And we're gonna get our erase tool, and we're gonna erase this side so. Like so. Then we're gonna add a black and white gradient map. So go to gradient map and change this to the black one. Click OK, and we're gonna set this to overlay. Add the opacity about 30 again. Then we're gonna add a color balance. We're gonna move this around to about -36. I'm gonna plus 48, and yellow -30. And we're gonna set this to, click OK. We're gonna set it to lighten color and about 30%. And we're gonna go ahead and make a new layer, and we're gonna go to brushes and look for a cool design. In this case, I'm gonna use this skull right here. I'm gonna place it around there and click X, and then go ahead and set this layer to screen. Now we're gonna go ahead and make a new layer. Image, apply image, okay. Then we're gonna go to filter, sharpen. I'm gonna zoom in, and we're gonna erase everything except her and her coat. Like so. Then we're gonna add some text. Now we're gonna look for a text. I chose Baroness. I'm gonna go ahead and leave this white or black, whatever. Go ahead and make a new layer and copy the pink again from the SIG, and go get your pencil tool and click on it, and then hold shift and slide it to the right, like so. I'm gonna set this to screen. Actually, we're gonna leave it normal. I'm gonna go make a new layer on top of your text, and we're gonna get the pink. Get your brush out, get a soft brush, and we're gonna just go over it and set it to screen. Then you can go ahead and make a new layer and add your borders if you want them. It's optional. And we're done. Rate, comment, subscribe.